Hello student, now we are going to learn AutoCAD copy command. In AutoCAD, by copy command we copy object a specified distance in a specified direction. Copy command shortcut CO, enter, select object, we select object, enter, specify base point, if this is the base point, specify base point, ortho of, specify second point, this is the second point, again specify second point, this is the second point, specify second point, this is the second point, specify second point, this is the second point, enter. Again we type CO, copy command shortcut, select object, enter, specify base point. Now specify second point, this is the second point, this is second point, specify second point, specify second point, enter. Okay, now again we type copy command shortcut CO, enter. Now ortho is on, select object, select, enter. Now specify base point, we select base point, this is the center. Now ortho is on, now we just put the distance in this direction, this is 250, then this direction 250, this direction 100, in this direction 300, again in this direction 80. Okay, in different horizontal and vertical position we copy this, only type the distance. Okay, now we learn copy command array option. For copy command type CO, enter, select object, enter, specify base point, this is the base point, center point, ortho is on. Now specify second point or within bracket array. For array command type A, enter number of items, 6, enter. Now specify second point, we just put the distance 150, next enter. Okay, again enter. Now distance between two objects, click on linear dimension, specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin, specify dimension line location, this is 150, again click on linear, specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin, specify dimension line location. Okay, now we learn copy command array option. Second option For copy command, we type CO, enter. We select this line, only this vertical line, enter. Specify base point, this is the base point. Now specify second point or array, we type A for array. Enter number of items, say 10, type 10, enter. Now specify second point or feet option. For feet, type F, enter. Now specify second point, we click on this point here, enter. Here it is divided into 8 part, and also copy the multiple copy in 8 part. Here distance are same in all part. For measuring the distance, click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify second point, this is 33. Again click on linear, specify first point, specify second point, this is 33. Again click on linear, specify first point, specify second point, this is 33. All part are 33. It is the array option, copy array option in fit option. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.